You're ambitious. You've got big dreams, big ideas, and even bigger plans. You envision a life filled with achievement, recognition, and fulfillment. Yet, there's one issue. You're easily distracted. You sit down to start working, motivated and determined, but suddenly your phone buzzes. A quick check becomes an hour-long dive into TikTok videos, random Wikipedia articles, or that one Netflix show you've seen 100 times already. Soon, hours turn to days, days turn to weeks, and your dreams remain exactly that, dreams. Sound familiar? The problem isn't laziness. The problem isn't even discipline. The real culprit? Dopamine dependency. Here's the twist. Your brain isn't lazy, it's overstimulated. Modern life has conditioned your mind to crave instant gratification, quick rewards, and continuous stimulation. So, when you're faced with tasks that don't provide immediate pleasure, your brain resists and you repeat the circle. Think of your brain like a hyperactive puppy. It runs to wherever it senses excitement, ignoring your commands to sit and stay. To regain control, we need a smarter strategy, not force, but finesse. Rewire your reward system. Break your larger goals into micro goals that can be easily rewarded. Rather than saying, I'll write an entire article today, tell yourself, I'll write for just 10 minutes, then take a short break. When your brain associates small tasks with achievable rewards, you begin retraining it to anticipate pleasure from productivity. Time blocking with a twist. Everyone talks about time blocking, but here's the twist. Don't just block productive tasks. Intentionally schedule breaks and fun activities too. When your mind knows it will soon enjoy scheduled leisure, it feels less tempted to indulge distractions impulsively. Dopamine detox, the smart way. You don't need to abandon your smartphone completely. Instead, practice selective detox. Limit dopamine-rich activities, social media, streaming, gaming, until after you've accomplished your micro goals. Your brain learns to view these activities as rewards rather than default habits. Curate your environment. Reduce distractions by designing your surroundings intentionally. Leave your phone in another room while working or switch off unnecessary notifications. Small changes create significant improvements in your ability to focus. And here's the powerful part. Your brain thrives on momentum. By consistently applying these strategies, you'll train yourself to crave productivity. Over time, accomplishing tasks becomes inherently rewarding. Imagine it this way. You're building a habit muscle. The more you train it with small, intentional movements, the stronger and more efficient it becomes. As the saying goes, motivation gets you started, but habit keeps you going. It's not about fighting your distractions. It's about outsmarting them. So, give yourself permission to start small. Embrace micro goals, schedule your distractions, manage your dopamine intentionally, and curate your environment. Before you know it, you'll turn your ambitious dreams into reality, one focused step at a time.